Let S equal to closed interval 0 to 1 union semi-closed interval 2 comma 3, and let f is a function defined on set S to real set by this expression fx equal to 2x when x is from closed interval 0 to 1, and fx is equal to 8 minus 2x when x is from semi-closed interval 2 comma 3. If T is defined as image set of f, or you can say fx, such that x belongs to S, then the inverse function f inverse from T to S does not exist and is continuous. Option C is exist and is not continuous. Option D is exist and is monotonic. Four options is given to us and we have to find right one option. As f is real function defined on S, and S is union of closed interval 0 to 1 and semi-closed interval 2 comma 3 and of f images of f are of the type 2x if x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1, and 8 minus 2x type if x is belongs to semi-closed interval 2 comma 3. Now we have to find f inverse. Find f inverse and about it. And about f inverse means existence, existence, continuity, continuity, and monotonicity. These three types of options we have, and we will discuss one by one. First of all, we need to find out image of f. Image of f, and f has two type, image 2x type and 8 minus 2x type if x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1, and 8 minus 2x type if x belongs to closed interval semi-closed interval 2 comma 3. Now when x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to 1, then we want to make 2x type, because of this is given to us, 2x type involve inequality, type involve inequality. So multiply this inequality by 2, and because of 2 is positive, sign of this inequality doesn't alter. So 0 less than equal to 2x less than equal to 2. It means we had found some images. Now for when x is coming from semi-closed interval 0 to 3, it means x is greater than or equal to 2 and less than 3, and we want to make an equality of the type 2x 8 minus 2x involve there. So multiply first this by 2, so it will be 4 less than equal to 2x less than 6. Now negative of 2x we want, so multiply this inequality by negative sign. On multiplying negative number or negative sign of inequality changes. Minus 4 greater than equal to 2x greater than 6 or minus 6. It will be minus 2x. Now add 8 according to as we want. 8 minus 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 8 minus 6. It will be 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 2. Now some images we had found or we have found. It means image set image set is 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 2 and 0 less than equal to 2x less than equal to 2. We have image set. This is our image set. It means to find f inverse or inverse function of f, this image set will become my domain, and we want to make or we want to find out or figure out an expression which is in terms of this domain element. This domain element means new domain elements. So let y equal to 2x. First we are working for this inequality 0 less than equal to 2x less than equal to 2. So let y equal to 2x, then x equal to y upon 2. This y is as image of the type this 2x type, and we want an expression for this image set, this image or image of this image of this image of this image. So x is y upon 2 type, y upon 2 type. So if we represent this by a formula or in terms of f inverse and in terms of x, it can be written as x by 2, and y is coming from my image set for f. So this is image is 2x less than equal to 2 and greater than equal to 0. So this is image set or inequality we obtained, and so this x is coming from this is closed interval 0 to 2. This inequality can be written as closed interval 0 to 2. So x is coming from 0 comma 2. Now similar work we will do for another inequality we obtain is 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 2. You can look here. This is 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 2. Now this is my new domain, new part of the domain, because some part is this also, some part was this, and some part is this new part of domain. So we want an expression for image of this image. This is image of f of the type 8 minus 2x. So let y equal to this image type 8 minus 2x, then x can be written as 8 minus y upon 2. And this x is, if we put, if y is input, then x is this image. If y is input, then x is output. It means expression for images. Expression for image, as we discussed earlier. It means f inverse in terms of x can be written as 8 minus x divided by 2, and x is coming from this inequality 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 2x greater than 2. You can write this as 2 comma 4 and is right closed because of equality here, and it is strictly so left open. So x is coming from 2 comma 4 and it is right closed. So finally f inverse you can write as x by 2 and 8 minus x by 2 when x is coming from closed interval 0 comma 2, and this is for x is coming from semi open interval 2 comma 4. Now we will discuss continuity of f inverse. So you can check here, x by 2 is increasing function, so it will give max value at 2. So 2 upon 2 means 1. 1 is my max value for when x is in closed interval 0 comma 2. Now 8 minus x by 2, 8 minus x by 2 is decreasing, and it will give max value at 2. So 8 minus 2 somehow near about 2. This is not 2, somehow plus 2. You can write 8 minus 2 positive divided by 2. It is 6 by 2 or 6 negative. It means somehow less. So it is approx less than 3 or approx 3. So you can look here. This is my domain for f inverse. Is it 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 4? This is 0 to 4. Now function obtain max value at 1, and then 3, then 3. This is 0.43 or near about 3. So you can look here, these points are not in this function. It means this is jump point, this is jump points or jumping. So f is or f inverse is not continuous. F inverse not continuous, and you can check 8 minus x by 2 is decreasing and x by 2 is increasing. So it is neither increasing nor decreasing. So not right option D. F inverse exists and is monotonic. This option is wrong. Option D is wrong. Option B is exist and is continuous because of not continuous F inverse. So B also not our desired choice. Option A is does not exist but inverse exists. Option A is also wrong. Now option C is exist and is not continuous. This is our right choice. Option C is right choice.